There's our little Coco. Wanna go eat some more Coco? Coco's gonna finish it up, huh? I might want a little bit more, huh? Once one of them goes back for more, then they'll notice, and 3 or 4 of them will go back for more. I've learned not to pick it up right away. Oh, I might have a little more. I might have just a bit. Oh, my sweet buddy. He's eating so well. I'm so proud of them. They've just transitioned so well. Just amazing, huh, buddy? Say I'm so smart. I just got this food thing all figured out. Yes, I do. And the potty thing is going pretty darn well, too. Huh, buddy? Yeah. Say hi. I know the light's not too good right there. That's my little Coco buddy. Okay. Puppy's all over the place now. Okay, buddy, say bye. Got a little clip.